Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today we will discuss about the tooth gemination. Tooth gemination is a dental phenomena that appears to be two teeth develop from one single tooth. There is one main crown with a cleft in the incisal third of the crown of the tooth. It looks like a two teeth, although it is not two teeth. All the teeth in the arch will be normal in the numbers. Tooth gemination arises when two teeth develop from one tooth bud. When the anomalous tooth appears to be two separate teeth, it appears that the patient has an extra tooth, although they have a normal number of roots. Now we will see the signs and symptoms. The misaligned teeth can lead to chewing difficulty and damage adjacent structures. Occlusion affected, causing deviations. Then cause asymmetry of dental arch due to enlarged crown. Then aesthetic problem, it doesn't look good. Delay or obstruct the eruption of adjacent tooth. And the tooth anatomy, making the surface hard to clean and increase susceptibility of dental decay and periodontal diseases. Now we will see what are the causes. The cause of gemination is still unknown. However, there are few factors that are contributing to geminations. Number one is vitamin deficiency, then hormonal irregularity, then infection or inflammation of areas near to the developing tooth bud, then drug induced or sometimes genetic predisposition. The last one is the radiotherapy that caused damage to the developing tooth germs. There is one question always asked by the patient: how common is the tooth geminations? According to the journals of clinical and diagnostic research, the gemination is quite very rare. It is prevalent about 0.5% in the milk teeth or deciduous teeth and 0.1% in the permanent teeth. It is commonly seen in the anterior region, incisors and canines, very rarely in the bicuspids or premolars and molars, although it can still seen in the posterior areas also. Now what are the treatment for gemination? Patients should be advised to maintain a good oral hygiene to prevent plaque accumulations. Fissure sealants and resin restorations for deep grooves and fissures to prevent dental caries. Then orthodontic treatment. Then reshape and restore teeth with appropriate material. Root canal treatment followed by reduction of mesiodistal width of the tooth. Restore teeth with crowns. Then root canal treatment, then surgically divide the tooth into two teeth. And the last one is, if the tooth is not suitable for root canal, then extraction could be considered. Fixed or removable prosthetic may be needed after extraction. Transplantation of supernumerary teeth to replace the geminated tooth. Before the root canal treatment or extractions are carried out, the clinician should have thorough knowledge about the root canal morphology to avoid complications. So friends, always remember, if you have noticed any irregularity in your smile and you may be curious to learn more about this condition, you can consult your dentist because he is the right person. He will guide you correctly. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.